GoSports 3-foot width giant wooden 4-in-a-row game in-depth reviews. This product has 4.7 stars based on 3,608 ratings and 703 reviews. 93% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 4% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said hours of funds. The big size allowed for distant observations/participation by friends and family, which added to the fun. We put the 4-in-a-row game through several hours of play and it held up well. Should last a long time with limited weather exposure and stored in carrying case when not in use. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Damaged product. Would have gave 5 stars had the product not arrived damaged. It's not made out of real wood. Made cheap. This chip that was found on the bottom of the leg will become a problem because it will continue to chip away, so I'm going to have to inconveniently return it. That's it.